It's springtime, and that means that summer is almost upon us. If you've swapped beachwear for baked goods over the winter, it's time to reform, and Jason has some help for you.
The icy hands of winter are slowly but surely loosening their grip, and the prospect of us being able to hit the beaches in our costumes is looming. But so is the fact that we have this extra bit of winter flair to get rid of. Well, we're ahead of you. Just in time to step out in confidence, we found you 3 fitness apps that are sure to get you into shape nice and quick.
Exercise not only improves the way you look, but also takes away stress, improves brain power and gives you energy. All of which are essential to maintaining a healthy way of life. And there's no better time to tell yourself this than right now, just before summer hits.
Just like the Greek name Argus suggests, the king of Argos was a stickler for following his subjects around all day long, making sure that they were working when they were supposed to. Well, the Argus app does just the same.
Only that this exclusively iOS app doesn't come with a whip and fire-breathing dogs. As long as you carry your phone all day long, Argus will watch your movements. You can also log workouts, keep an eye on how much water you drink, and take photos of your food to inspire yourself to stick to a healthy lifestyle. Most prominent is step tracking, which uses your iPhone's accelerometer as a digital pedometer to count your steps during a walk or run. Both calculate and display your expended calories, and both also use your iPhone's GPS and location services to automatically track your route.
Look, it was bound to happen. A fitness app that incorporates gaming to help you reach those goals and achieve those bonuses, all whilst losing those unwanted kilos.
Fitocracy. Here's a social way of keeping your fitness regime to an enjoyable maximum, as this app follows your workout progress and scores you bonuses and special rewards that you can then boast to your friends about using the app. The cool thing about the app is that it shows you how to do some of the exercises so that you don't injure yourself and can't continue leveling up against your mates.
Finally, your very own gym instructor in an app. Gain Fitness will guide you through each step of your workout that you set. You see, it's like sitting down with your instructor over a protein shake and working out a plan.
During setup, you can select goals, such as how many days per week you want to work out and whether you're exercising for health, fat loss or muscle gain. You devise a series of workouts based on your needs, so you can have a 10-minute workout for when you're on the go, a 35-minute routine for when you're home, and a 60-minute session for the gym.
Now, as you customize your various routines, the app provides a wealth of options, such as selection boxes where you've got to indicate what kind of equipment you have on hand, such as kettlebells or even a sturdy table or door frame.
When you're ready to work out, the app shows you an overview of all the exercises that you'll complete in order. Start the workout and the app will then walk you through each activity, showing proper form, outlining how many sets and reps that you should complete, and showing a countdown clock that times the active session as well as rests between activities and reps.
So with a number of exercises and activities at your disposal, getting yourself a beach-ready body just doesn't seem so hard now, does it? Just remember though, with exercise must come a strict diet, so no carbs after dark, huh?